Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of x if we have x cubed divided by x square is equals to 1, and we solve this problem for all the values of x. So here first we find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further, we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards our first method. And in the first method, here we need to move this x square to the right hand side, and when we move x square to the right hand side, it is multiplied by 1 and it will becomes x cubed is equals to x square multiplied by 1 is equals to x square. And further, in the next step, here we move this x square into the left hand side and it will becomes x cubed minus this is our x square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here in the next step, you see here we have x square be the common term which is lies on both of these terms. So when we take common x square from here, then we get the remaining values are, so from here we get x only minus from here we get 1, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And further, in the next step, we need to divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x square is equals to 0, and the second case is we write x minus 1 is equals to 0. And from here we easily get the value of x is equals to 0, because when you can take the square root on both of the sides, then these 2 and square root are gone and you get here the value of x is equals to 0. So this is our first root of the given equation, and from here we move this minus 1 to the right hand side and we will get here our x is equals to 1. So this is our second root of the given equation. So here we get in the first method we get there are two roots of the given equation. And further, in the next step, we need to verify that is these two roots are solution or these two roots are extraneous root. So for verification of the roots, we need to copy down given question statement here, and it is x cubed divided by x square is equals to 1, and here in this side we will be verify x is equals to 0, and in this side we will be verify x is equals to 1. So here we need to verify these two roots. So when we verify x is equals to 0, we need to substitute the value of x is equals to 0 into the left hand side. And so after substituting this into the left hand side, it will be written as 0 cubed divided by 0 square is equals to 1. And now here in the next step we have this is the 0 cubed, and 0 cubed becomes 0, and 0 square is also equals to 0, and this whole is equals to 1. So here we know about that our 0 form is usually called the indeterminate form. Okay, so if this is the indeterminate form, in other words we say that it is undefined. Okay, so if 0 by 0 is undefined, so this means that this value is not equals to 1, so both of the sides are not equal in general. So we conclude about x is equals to 0 is that x is equals to 0 be the extraneous root of the given equation, because it is not satisfied our given question statement. So this is the extraneous root. And further, in the next step we move toward the second solution, and here we substitute this value of x into the left hand side. After substituting this, it will becomes 1 cubed divided by 1 square is equals to 1, and further we have 1 cubed is equals to 1, and 1 square is also equals to 1, and this whole equation is equals to 1. So 1 divided by 1 is equals to 1 equals 1. So this shows that the value of x is equals to 1 is satisfied our given question statement. So we say that x is equals to 1 be the solution set of the given equation. So x is equals to 0 be the extraneous root and x is equals to 1 be the solution set of the given question. And now here we again solve this problem for the second method, and in second method we need to copy down given question statement here. So the given question statement is x cubed divided by x square is equals to 1. So here in the second method we will just give the direct method, and here we directly find the values of x. So here we use the nice exponential law. You know about that. If we have a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m minus n. So according to this rule, here we need to subtract the exponent in the numerator term to the denominator exponent to the numerator. It will becomes x to the power of 3 minus 2 is equals to 1, and here we easily get the value of x is equals to 1. So this shows that we have x is equal to 1 be the only one root of the given equation, and in the first method we already verified that x is equals to 1 is satisfied our given question statement. So x is equals to 1 be the solution or set of the given question. So in the second method we get just only one solution set, and that is x is equals to 1. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.